Hi, this is Cindy from Vintage to New, and I wanted to show you the different sizes in my little VintageDori, which is the cover for a traveler's notebook, and I'm calling these my little Pixie series. We have our little mini journal, the little Pixie, and the pages inside of this will be 3 3/4 by 2.5 inches, and it's just a really cute little one that you could put in your purse. It would be fun for a child. It's just adorable. It's a little Pixie. Then this next one is the Pixie Traveler, and this is the size of a passport. It has 5 by 3.5 inch pages is what we will put inside of this. And I actually did this one a little different. The pattern has you go and do it like this. But I just wanted to show you the sizes. This one is my most decorated one. This is the Memory Keeper, and I made this for a friend. This has 4 by 6 pages on the inside, and it also has what I'm calling is the extension on it. This extension comes up and over your notebooks, and then when you put this back around, everything's protected. It's on the inside. So if you're throwing it in your purse, or if you're doing anything, if you wanted to just have a little extra protection, has some little charms at the bottom. That's what the extensions are for, and each one of these can be made with or without extensions. So these two are without, this is with. This one has 2 notebooks in it, and it has room for a couple more, and we'll be doing videos on how to make those coming up. This one is called the Skinny Pixie, and I'm calling it the Skinny Pixie Planner because its pages are 8 1/4 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. All right, and it has the extension on it. And then my very last one here is called the Pixie Planner, and this one I made it so you would use a full letter size sheet of paper folded in half. So the insert in it is 8.5 by 5.5. So that is the Pixie Planner. Now you'll notice this has rounded edges, this one has rounded edges, and all 3 of these have square. You can choose rounded or square edges for any of them. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are excited about making a couple of planners. It's kind of addictive, I have to warn you. So until next time, this was Cindy from Vintage to New.